Well, we're going to a ride up the west coast. We're going to head up towards Kununurra and Lake Argyle. It's the 2nd of September now. It's Saturday. And we're going to be heading up in some pretty good weather we got at the moment. Okay, this is the road that we're going to take here. And we're just outside Perth at the moment. We'll just go onto the State Highway 1 and take the Brand Highway or the Coastal Road up to Geraldton. Then we'll probably stay a night around Northampton, and then in the morning head towards Kalbarri National Park. Then after that we'll make our way towards Carnarvon. Then over the next week or so we'll head up towards Kununurra and towards Lake Argyle. Highway number 1, Brand Highway, heading towards Carnarvon. We'll probably go into Carnarvon early in the morning. Well, we filled up with food and petrol in Carnarvon. And now we're going to go up this way here towards Carafa and Port Hedland. Weather's getting a bit warmer now. Okay. This is the mighty Gascoyne River in full flow. Out what I'm going to eat tonight. We've got our home brand potato salad and tin of Heinz spaghetti bolognese for dinner tonight. Okay, sun's are setting at the moment. Well, looks like we've got a full moon tonight. Here we are parked up in Australian savannah. Ashburton River. Well, we're heading towards Carafa at the moment. We're probably about 160 kilometres from Carafa. Plus some of the stones around here. Well, we're currently looking at the Fortescue River. We're about 110 kilometres away from Carafa at the moment. Well, the moon's just going down at the moment. Yeah, pretty good night camping up here. Okay. Well, we're at Point Sampson at the moment. Looks like we've got about 9 ships out there waiting to be loaded on some iron ore. We're in Wickham at the moment. Thought we'd just check out the old locomotive. Built in 1951 in America. So a big radiator there. And just as big exhaust pipe. We're in Roebourne at the moment. Morning. Well, we camped here last night. During the night I nearly walked into the spider web. It's got about a dozen spiders on it. All varying different sizes. Yeah. Okay, got a bit of a storm over there, so you're expecting a bit of rain. Showers any rate. Stick insect right there. Little bobtail in here. Was running across the road just before. Well, we camped here last night. We're about 150 k's from Derby now. The grass is getting quite a lot longer now. Well, we're going to do ourselves an oil change on the bike now. Going to put some Valvoline XLD Premium in it. Going to put a new oil filter in also. A Donut filter. Okay, I might as well get the old stuff out, put it into these bottles here. Okay. The old Allen can here. It goes in the total thing. Yep. Just like that. So the oil might be a bit hot. We'll try and catch as much as we can. Well, now I'll take out the oil filter. Okay, the old Allen key in there. Now I'll take the old filter out. Yeah, 5,000 K on that filter. Okay. I use a Donut filter. Okay. Put it in. Okay, that's in. Okay. I'll put some new seals on it too. Okay. And now we'll just do this up now and fill it up with some Valvoline and get on the road. Well, we're in Derby now. There's a circular wharf here for the trucks. They just drive on and drive out. Well, the sun's set. Got another night camping in the long grass again. Morning. Well, about 40 or 50 k's of Fitzroy Crossing. And after filling up fuel there, we'll head towards Halls Creek. Then after that, we'll head towards Kununurra and Wyndham, and we'll probably be camping around here tonight. Okay, we've just got this road along here to do. Well, I've got about 200 k's to Halls Creek from here. Most of the scenery's pretty flat around here, so take a chance, have a look at this. about 220 kilometres from Kununurra at the moment. When we get to Kununurra, we're going to try and put a new back tyre on the bike. Certainly needs it. Morning. Well, we just had a bath in this here. Rigged it up to a couple of trees in the bike here. Hopped inside this and had myself a wash. Only used about 4.5 litres actually. It's pretty easy to empty out, change water. But yeah, good way to having a wash out in the bush here. Okay. Well, we'll just change the water now and pack up. That's it there. Okay. Well, morning. We're going to go into Kununurra and try and put a new back tyre on, and then we're going to have a look at the Gibbs River Road. Bit worried about the sand though. The sand up here is pretty light, so I figure the back wheel might end up just digging in, get on the road and see what the story is. I've got ourselves a steam driven digger here. Well, we're in Kununurra at the moment. I'm going to put a new back tyre on. It's a Michelin T66. Bit of a dual purpose tyre. And I'm going to replace this one. Canvas is getting a bit thin on it now. Probably just got 13,500 k's or thereabouts out of the ME 550. Okay. Well, I said about getting it put on, 20 bucks to put it on. Okay, get it in here. Okay, well that's done. Morning. Well, we're going to be heading towards back down to Perth now. We've been to Lake Argyle and Kununurra and Wyndham, and now we're heading down here, State Highway 1, probably around about here at the moment, and then we'll head into Halls Creek. Well, that's our scenery. We're about 20 kilometres from Halls Creek at the moment. Getting flatter. Hot for some reason. I think it's leaking oil from the gearbox. Some of it's dripping here and some of it's going through the overflow in the final drive unit onto the back tyre and the back wheel. Well, that drive shaft is just full of oil. Well, we're going to try to ride this to Broome. We're about 160 kilometres from Broome here. We've turned off here and we're going to head towards Newman, but before we get there we're going to head towards Tom Price in Carrageenan National Park. Well, we've certainly got some ancient rocks around this place. Well, about 20 or 30k from Tom Price at the moment. We'll ride into Tom Price in the morning. This truck here worked for 12 years and they're carried estimated 23 million tonnes of iron ore. It's got about 1600 horsepower and has a carry load of about 155 tonnes. Well, we've got the mining town of Newman. Well, this truck here has a 212 tonne payload it can carry. Total weight of the truck is actually about 400 tonnes. It's nice exhaust pipes there. Morning. Well, we've got about 1,100 kilometres now to go to Perth. Yeah, do that either in 2 or 3 days, just easy riding. And we'll see what we can see on the way. And we've got ourselves another little snake here. That one's moving a bit quicker now. Well, I've got a bit of a lake out there, a few swans. Is a tailless bobtail. Yep. I filled up with fuel in Mount Magnet. Now travelling down the 95 at the moment. We've just had lunch probably around here. Tonight we'll probably camp around here, and then tomorrow we'll heading on to Perth. Okay, we're probably less than 500 kilometres or so to Perth now. Okay. Well, scenery has certainly changed in the last couple of 100 kilometres. wildflower season now. Well, we're in the Shire of Gingin at the moment. Well, we just got back from a trip up north. We went up to Kununurra and Lake Argyll and came back down through the Great Northern Highway. We were away for 20 days, did about 8,600 kilometres, and spent about 1,100 Australian dollars. And it's about 25th of September at the moment. So it looks like we've got ourselves a fine day here. Okay, well, might as well go inside and grab some lunch.